Hi guys, now let's continue. We will introduce EJB. Okay, EJB. The full name is called Enterprise Java Beans. Enterprise Java Bean is a server-side component architecture for the J2EE platform. Now, EJB enables rapid and simplified development of a distributed, transactional, secure, and portable Java applications. So we can see that EJB Enterprise Java Bean. EJB is a what? Is a server component. Is a server component. Of course, it is a distributed, transactional, secure, and portable server component. Okay, so at the at the initial of this course, I have already mentioned that EJB is a what? Is a weighted server component. In other words, EJB encapsulates a very important and weighted business process. Okay, so read this slide to know what is a distributed, what is a transactional, what is secure, and what is a portable Java applications to understand what is a EJB. Okay, 1 minute for this slide. Enterprise Java Bean are components that are deployed into container. Of course, we have already mentioned that. The container provides what? Provides service. Something just like loading, initialization, transactions, persistence, communication with EJB clients, and JNDI namespace. So please remember, actually the container, we can just consider the container as a server, but the container also provide some other very important service, just like load and initialization. In other words, the EJB is not initialized by the client. The EJB is initialized by the container. Okay, so this container also guarantees that some functions or some method can be executed just in a transaction manner, in a transactional manner. So transactions is also provided by the container. Persistence. Okay, so in persistence means that EJB has a very important reliability. Now the next one, communication with EJB clients. In other words, the EJB client is first connected with a container, and then the container will use the EJB to handle this request from the clients. The next one is called JNDI. We have already mentioned that the JNDI actually is something like index service. Now in a Java J2EE program, in a J2EE architecture, we can see that this JNDI namespace or this JNDI index service is also called as a context, naming context. Okay, so read this slide for 2 minutes to understand the service provided by the container. Okay,